Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use one of these hair dryer brushes to achieve a beautiful professional salon blowout right at home. Maybe you have seen this tool and you wonder, does it work? Is it worth the money? Or maybe you have one and you just don't know how to use it properly. Well, this tutorial is going to show you both. So without further ado, let's get started and dive into hair. Today I'm using the Ama Beauty Salon One-Step Hair Dryer, and I have this linked below for you in the description. I have a top grip and two different sizes for curling and straightening. The long side is to straighten and the short side is to curl. It also has a few different settings. There's a cool shot, a low heat, and a high heat. Today I'm using Amika Glass Action. It's a 10 Miracle Oil and Amika the Shield Anti-Humidity Spray. I'm going to be separating my hair with a few clips and let's get started. I first want to divide my hair into half. So I'm taking the top portion and I'm just going to wrap this up and clip this aside and start with the bottom portion. I then divide it in half. And the trick with this is to take the long side to go over the distance, and then the short side can lift the roots and curl the ends. You want to start in small sections, and this is the best way that you're going to get the best smooth, shiny, beautiful results. And just repeat this process until your hair has completely dried. It takes about 6 to 10 times going over each section. Following the heat, you'll want to go over that with the cool shot, and that will lock in the style. So I've taken this to the cool side, and I'm just doing one final shot with the cool shot. And here you have it. This is just with a dryer without using a curling iron or a straightener. It's beautiful, it's shiny, and it's going to last all day. Now I'm going to finish with the rest of the sections throughout the bottom half of my hair. Notice how I go underneath the hair and then also on top, and this just helps to smooth the cuticle and really get both sides dry. And then following each time that I finish one section, I will twist it with my finger so that it locks in that curl. And look how beautiful and shiny and healthy my hair looks. That took no time. I didn't use a straightener, I didn't use a curling iron, and look at this shine. Now that back section I like to take and go up in the middle and kind of bring that together so that I don't get anywhere kinks in the back. And now we're going to start with the top section. I like to wrap up the dry section and again clip that to separate that from the top wet section. I will part my hair based on my preference for that day. And then again, I'm going to take the very front section and just wrap this and keep this separated. Now I'm going to start with those middle sections in the back and keep those together and add volume by bringing those up towards the ceiling and back and around. Be sure that you completely dry your hair. That is the trick with this tool. As long as you get your hair completely dry and then you follow up with that cool shot, you're going to lock in this beautiful, bouncy, healthy looking style all day long. Can you guys believe this? Look at this beautiful curl. Oh, this is so beautiful. Now for the front section, I like to blow this out forward and up, and this really helps to create a beautiful swoopy bang. It really helps to complete that beautiful blowout look, that gorgeous glamorous look. So just using that shorter end and really curling the roots and bringing those up, giving this volume really helps. And there you have it. Such an easy way to achieve a beautiful salon blowout, and it's much healthier on your hair without using a curling iron and a straightener. So if you do want to get one of these, I have linked it in the description below, and if you have any questions, just leave me a comment. I'm always happy to help. And if you haven't yet, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that you know when my new videos are live every week on my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.